Yeah, my brother. His car decided not to start today, so it had to get jump started for him to bring it home. So we're gonna pull the battery out and put it on. I think it has battery maintainer, I think it was. So yeah. Yep. 10mm for the battery hold down. And 10mm for the battery hold down. And seems like 10mm for both connections, positive and negative. Let's freaking go. Yeah. The first one came off, no problem. Second one
break it.
is being a dick.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
We may just need to get a new battery terminal.
Yeah.
Probably won't hurt to replace both, honestly. If you're going to just replace one, might as well.
This one looks fine.
At least replace that.
Well, I mean, might as well.
Wouldn't hurt.
Alright. I need some towels or something like that. I'll stuff up.
Yeah. So then
Shop
now.
towels be okay, you think?
Nah. Because I remember we did it last and we wrapped them in regular towels. Get the regular dirty towels we have from inside. Because I don't want to wrap them in shop towels because that's way too thin. So yeah, it was this morning when my brother went to try to go start his car for work when it wouldn't start. So then he had his coworker pick him up. So then yeah. And then he was able to get it jump started over at his girlfriend's house once he got off work and drove it home. And then we're disconnecting the battery so that we can put it on maintainer so then we can charge it on maintainer overnight, and then hopefully it holds charge, and then it's good to go to where you can drive it to work and have no issues. You know the reason why you wrap the battery terminals up?
Why?
So it doesn't go to metal, so then it doesn't get grounded, so then it doesn't screw wiring or anything up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yep, we got it all set up. Let's see if it holds. We'll see if it holds when you try to go start it in the morning. Update, guys, my brother was planning on taking that dually that I've usually been starting up, but that won't happen because the trip meter is at 355, almost 356. So our dad said 350 is max that he would recommend, so he won't be able to take it, so he has to take his car. Hopefully you have no issues.
Yeah.
Did you get that nut? That bolt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That new terminal or get both new terminals?
I'll really get both. Oh wait, that's not sitting on there all the way. Yeah, it's already cracking right there where the bowl goes.
Sure, tighten down that one at least. Where'd you put that little? Got it. Oh, okay, good. pain in the butt to hook it.
Where does this even hook to?
No, I think you have it the wrong way.
No. Goes like this. Huh?
No, no. I think you see this little hole? Flip it. I bet you it goes that way. I bet you it does. I think that's the correct way. Yeah, it looks like it. See?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Good shit, Yoshi.
Good thing I was out here.
Yeah.
It makes an interesting video, that's for sure. The troubles of your car. Hopefully no more troubles today.
Yeah.
Because I doubt no one has jumper cables up at work. Worst comes to worst, I think we have it set in the dually if you want me to grab them.
Yeah.
You want me to?
No, I don't have the time to.
Okay. Hopefully someone has jumper cables up at work if it doesn't start.
Yeah.
We'll just have to see. Just let me know. Yeah, but we'll for sure have to get a new terminal
Yeah.
for your positive. And just in case get one for your negative. Damn, that battery's lasted pretty good. 10 of 22.
Yeah.
Could be on its way out though.
Walmart battery.
Yeah. We'll just have to see what's going on. Dad just said use ChatGPT for your car. To figure out why it wouldn't start. Well, shit. It may not be the battery after all. I guess call your, was it your manager? See if he's able to pick you up. I guess that's your only option because
Yeah.
Dooley's already at 355. Dad said 350 on it. So after all, it could be something to do with the positive terminal. Either that it's cracking or it's not fully seated, one of the two. We'll have to figure it out sometime. But I'll keep you guys posted on this.